Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I am back. I have a miracle. And I'm excited about this one. This, I knew I'm looking like, ooh, and literally, I got it and said, Atlanta Warehouse. Atlanta Warehouse tells me it's from Anna Griffin. So I'm like, what did she send me? And then I remembered suddenly, oh, I ordered the mystery die collection. She's been doing like the mystery boxes, and you have to subscribe to them, and I'm keeping an eye out to see if it opens up again because I want to join it. But just, I mean, for the sake of curiosity, I could resist. So they opened up the box one, and I forget what the other one was. I think it was embossing folders, and I think it was, I can't remember, but the one I did sign up for was the mystery die club. So my dies have come. So I'm very excited. It's $39.95 a month, I recall it, and they guarantee it's $125 worth of dies, which means it could be one die for all we know. But in this case, I've got 3 brand new Anna dies. So we're going to go, I guess, shortest to longest. So let's see what I've got. I'm very excited and jazzed and kind of hoping that I don't get a repeat of something I already have, because it's not like, I mean, I don't have like a super extensive, I mean, I'm sure there's people out there, huge Anna fans, who have everything. I'm not one of them, but I love her stuff. I really, really do love her stuff. I don't play with it enough, and I'm trying to change that. And I just came off the heels of Create 10, which it's so exciting. It's so energized me. And I still need to come to you guys with my thoughts. I'll be the last person that's a YouTuber to finally come around to get to it. But it's been a week. So let's see. What is my first die? Oh my goodness, I know exactly what this is. This is the square box die. So hang on. Let me toss this to one side, and let me open the box. I had been contemplating buying one of these. I just couldn't make up my mind which or what, or you're kind of like, you know me. I'm as indecisive as they come. But this is, hang on, let me open it up. So it's the square box card. So it's a box. And, for a square card. So see, you have, it makes up a box. And then you do your card inside the box, and then you figure out how you're going to mail it. I mean, but, all of us, and that's something I should do. I should start kicking out a tutorial on making an envelope or something like that to send some of Anna's fatter cards. But I'm jazzed about this, because it's kind of like, and I think about, this is what do I want to do, which one do I want to order, and now they sent me one, and it kind of made the decision for me. So I'm jazzed. I mean, these are really the sample. The inspiration sheet is very inspirational, but it comes with, obviously, look at that, this is the die that makes the box. And all of these are, I mean, obviously these edges is what cuts it out on your piece of paper. And then these are all of your folds to create the box. And then these are your, 2 decorative dies. That frame die is really, really, really pretty, really cool. And then the inside, I mean, this is really, I'm jazzed. I'm very excited. So we have that. And I'm gonna set this aside for right now and not worry about getting it back inside, because I want to open the next one. So, I mean, this is not going to be as long a video as normal, because I don't have that much to open, but I do want to at least show you guys what I got, because I know I've been very quiet, and obviously I got nowhere with this one, because I just came off the heels. This is the week after Create 10. It was just this past weekend, and I have been working with friends. We've been on Zoom working the projects, finishing them off, because as everyone knows, I am many things, and fast ain't one of them. So I'm the slowest crafter in the world, and I'm still behind. I didn't finish any of the projects. Let me take it back. I did finish a handful of projects during Create 10, but I did not complete all of Create 10. And in the grand scheme of things, I now have, not ideas, but I have tips and hints, and I'm going to share those with you in a video for anybody that's thinking about doing crop at home, which will be in May of next year. So as to give you an idea of what to do, I don't regret it at all. I prepped as much as I have ever prepped. Do I have some feedback for Anna about it? Yes, I do. I have some feedback that will, I think, help people like me who are slow crafters and don't have adhesive fairies that, everything just doesn't appear with glue already on it. So, or adhesive tape. So, I mean, And it just is. It happens to anything when you're a tutorial. You know, you see all the demos, of course, because they have a time limit. And she has a time limit. This can only go so long. So I respect that. I don't complain about it, absolutely. But I think there's some things that could be done to continue. And she listens to feedback. So I'm going to give her my feedback. You know, a little old opinionated, quiet me. Anyway, you guys, it's like, Myra, shut up and will you pull what's in the envelope out? Right? I know that's what you're saying. Woo! Okay, I think this is a Pete. Somebody's going to look out. I'm positive I already have this. This is the Square Cards Compendium. I could be wrong. I could be wrong that I may not have this. But you know what? Hang on a second. Let's find out. I really don't know what I was thinking about, but let me show you something about Evernote because I'm forever talking about it. So I realized, you ninny, you don't need to look on the computer. I have it on my phone. So it opens up and I can go straight to a search. So I can do literally, let's see if I'm proving my point. Square, what was it called? It is Square Cards Compendium. Square Cards Compendium. Can I spell compendium? Compendium. Okay, let's see what it's come up. It said, do you mean Trinity stamps? No, let me make sure. I need, you know what? Here is something I should tell it. Interesting, because I don't know why I came up with that. So let's see. You know, there are, and of course, let me spell it correctly. Square Cards Compendium. Let's go. No notes found. I don't know why it's asking me about Trinity stamps, interestingly enough. But let me take a look. Let's look under here. Notes. Let's look under notes. That's not, no, I'm looking, I forget how this works. I hardly ever do it on my phone. That's the thing. So I am struggling, but you might as well see me struggle with it. So notebooks, that's what I'm looking for. So let's go to dies. Okay, so now let's go to dies. Now let's do a search in dies. So Anna Griffin, let's do it this way. Anna Griffin, whoops. Square, and I still can't spell it. I have fat thumbs, and that's part of it. Square Cards Compendium. Okay, let's do it. No notes found. Okay, so I was wrong. I must have something very similar to this, but not this one in particular. Because I know for a fact all of my Anna dies are entered in inventory. So, I mean, and that's one of the things nice about Evernote is I have it both on my phone and I have it on my computer. And on that note, that's part of the reason I didn't want to do it on my computer is I have an update that needs to be downloaded and in. So I don't have this. Yay, something I don't have, and I like it. I like both of these for, I mean, not just to make a square card. You can use these on, think about it, in projects, in scrapbooking, on pages. I mean, to put a photograph in, I mean, you can use this as your mat, and then the inner layer cuts out your photograph to size. I love it. So again, she has given me something. Let's look at the inspiration sheet, because it's going to be all card centric, and it's going to go towards making square cards. So apparently this is the theme of these. So hang on, let's see. So let's look at the inspiration sheet. Alrighty. And I mean, there you have it. And these are very, very cool how she's layered. And all of these, they're all layered. And I don't know if I would do it. I mean, there's a part of me would do like maybe on this one. And it's so funny that the one they did with the frames cut out so you can see the paper in the background has the plain paper in the background. Why? And then you have all these other ones with beautiful paper in the background and they're solid mats. The irony is not lost upon me. I love her stuff. And even in doing the classes in Create 10, I was like, you have no idea how much I was twitching on some of these. And I ended up, and I will show you, I ended up changing projects around because I could not do it. I could not cover beautiful paper. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't. It was horrible. I'm traumatized. But I love her stuff no matter what, even when trying to make, dumb it down, if you want to say that, or just make it more simpler, it still was beautiful. My projects, I think, are beautiful, not because I'm such a great talent, but she gives us great, beautiful things to work with. And it's part of why I like Anna Griffin's stuff, because it is the one opportunity that you can slap a card fast. In theory, generally, unless you're me, which is why I'm also now creating a habit. This is why I'm so pushing to finish these projects so I have them already. It's why every time I open a box of her stuff, I want to finish, I'll power through them so I have access to them and I don't have to think, hey, I've got to make a card. No, I've already got it made because I already put them together. So I have a box of fall cards that I'm going to use for Thanksgiving, and that's my next video, is to work with them with you guys. So now you have a hint. But right after this recording, I'm going to dive back into Fun Fold Friday because it's Thursday. You think I might be running out of time? And I started it last week being all excited that I had it all done. Yeah, no. But then I had to, create 10 and light, and it got away from me. So, but I still have time. It's not Friday yet. And it's pretty much done. I just have to do the final touches. So you will see a change in clothing and nails and whatnot. You will see the difference. And it is. I'm the Mad Scrapper, guys, okay? This is my life. Okay, let's see. What is the last one? Ooh. I don't know if I can't remember if I have this or not. This is square flip dies. I have a flip one, but I don't think it's a square one. I think I have the one for A7s, but let's look in here, because like I said, I have everything. Anna Griffin, not Groffon. Oh my goodness. Griffin. And actually, that's just in case. Let's go, because this is exactly how I title it. And then I go capital AG. Come back here for my other parentheses. Let me try that again. Parentheses. Okay. Now, what's it called again? Square flip dies. I know I have a flip die. I'm positive of it, but I don't think it's square. I think it's an A7. Square flip dies. Whoops, does, not does, dies. Oh, guess what? And look, here we go. One result. I got my repeat. Okay, how come I can't see it? There we go. And it shut down. Of course it did. All right, let's do this again. Anna Griffin. Okay, so it saved the most recent search. There it is. I was right. Clear cache. Okay, clear the cache. I don't know why it's causing this phone. Okay, open app. Yes, open app. Can I look at it? Thank you. All right, let's go back to search. I want you guys to see. So there it is. And I don't know why it's crashing. I do not know why this app is suddenly deciding to crash. Just because I'm trying to prove a point on camera. That is absolutely why this is happening. Yep, it's crashing. I don't understand. So anyway, I do have it. So this might have to find its way into a giveaway. So you know what, guys? I took my chances. So for $40, I got three, and not just like little inky dinkies, okay? 3 full on. Think about it. For $40, $39.99 plus shipping. Okay, it's, shipping. I think shipping was like $8.95 if I remember correctly. I got these 3. Am I unhappy in any shape, way, or form? No. I wish this wasn't a repeat, but I'm okay with that too. I most certainly got my money's worth off of this. So, I mean, if you've been contemplating doing her mystery boxes, I say yay. And then we're going to figure out what I'm going to do with this one, because there is no point in me keeping 2. I have the one and I haven't used it, and there you go. That's, it's issues of a mad scrapper. But I'm happy. I'm really excited about these, and I'm excited about this because now I'm going to have to make it. But this especially because it lends itself to scrapbook albums. That is more what I am thinking. I'm like, oh, yay! I'm jazzed. So anyway, guys, that is all the rantings I have for you right now. I have more stuff coming, I know for a fact, because I still have my shopping haul from the sale, the after the event sale that she always has, that offers us stuff and more important discounts that supposedly we would not see otherwise, that we were privileged to see. So I picked up a few things. As always, I spent too much. I did want to go ahead and pick up Create at Home, Crop at Home 5, is it? I think whatever what number it is we're on now, 4 or 5. I went ahead and picked it up because that's the cheapest it'll ever be. So I did that. And I did pick up other things that, you know, I for sure picked up more. We used Eleanor, paper from the Eleanor line, from her line Eleanor. And I have some from way back when it was originally came out that I bought it when I still worked at a scrapbook store. So, of course, I also got my employee discount. So I got that paper way back in 2013. I mean, and it might have been older than, I don't think it's older than that, but it might have been sooner than that. But no, it sounds about right. 10, 11 years sounds about right for me to have gotten it. So I got that paperwork back when I worked at a scrapbook store. And I'm happy, you know, and I picked up, I forget what else. I can't remember if I picked up any dies. I picked up more mats for my Empress Mini. And you know, but I can't remember now because I can't remember that I've slept since then. So it'll be Christmas again for me, just like this is, but this was a surprise. This was really a surprise. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go because I got a video to shoot. So thanks so much for hanging with me. If you enjoyed, you know, if this helped you one way or another in deciding whether you want to do any of her mystery boxes, then I'm glad for it. Please drop me a note, give me a like, tell me what your thoughts are. And if you want to see more of my upcoming madness, by all means, subscribe and ring the bell because there will always madness around here, okay? I have it in spades. Otherwise, go out there and craft and make something beautiful, okay, my friends? Always remember that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day. So go out there and make a difference with your craft, okay? And never forget, we are all a little mad here, okay? So in this channel, it's beyond spades. Come and craft the madness with me, okay? Talk to you guys later.